Welcome to Tech Bytes with Leena, the channel where we cut through the noise and talk about real skills, real careers, and real hiring truth. If you are a student confused about your future, a job seeker tired of rejections, or someone switching from a non-tech background, trust me, you're exactly where you need to be. If you are a fresher applying for business analyst roles and not getting interview calls, it's not because you lack skills. It's because your resume looks like everyone else's. Today I'll show you why recruiters reject BA fresher resumes in 6 seconds, what you're doing that is completely useless, and how to fix your resume using real hiring logic, not YouTube theory. This is what most creators won't tell you because it's uncomfortable. Let me tell you the truth about real hiring. Recruiters are not asking, is this person passionate? Has this person done certifications? They are asking one thing, can this person solve business problems on day one? Freshers fail because their resume scream, I have studied business analysis, instead of, I can think like a business analyst. Old way, still taught everywhere. Objective section, skill list copied from Google, 10 certifications, no context, no business thinking. This worked in 2015. In 2026, instant rejection. New way, what actually works? Problem, action, impact. Business context, decision making, tools used for a reason, outcomes, even simulated. Mistake 1, objective section. Recruiters don't read objectives, they read value. Seeking a challenging role to grow my career. Avoid it. Replace with professional summary focused on problem solving. Mistake 2, tool dumping. Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, Jira, Python. Recruiters' reaction? Fake or shallow. Instead, used Excel to analyze customer churn patterns for a telecom case study. Mistake 3, certifications overload. Certifications don't prove thinking, they prove attendance. One strong project is greater than 10 certificates. Mistake 4, academic language. Responsible for requirement gathering? Avoid it. Interacted with stakeholders to identify gaps in order processing workflow. Things students do that are completely useless. Copy pasting resumes from LinkedIn, doing fake internships, adding worked on live projects without explaining how, applying to 200 jobs with same resume, adding buzzwords like synergy, optimization, innovation. Recruiters spot this in seconds. In this, you can include problem, 40% cart abandonment, analysis, funnel plus user journey, action, identified 3 fraction points, outcome, proposed solutions with KPIs. This shows thinking, not theory. Step 2. Rewrite projects like a BA, not a student. Did Power BI dashboard? No. Instead, build sales performance dashboard to help management identify low performing regions. Step 3. Use this resume structure. Include summary, which is business focused. Skills, which are relevant, plus contextual. Add case studies and projects. Add tools. Education, last, not first. Sample resume content. Here's an example of how you can include your summary. Aspiring business analyst with hands-on experience in analyzing business problems, documenting requirements, and translating data insights into actionable solutions through case studies and projects. This is how you can include project bullets. Analyzed order fulfillment delays using Excel and process mapping. Identified bottlenecks impacting delivery SLAs. Proposed workflow improvements reducing turnaround time by 20%. Simulated. Even simulated impact is fine if logic is strong. Let's be honest. Companies want experience. Freshers don't get chances. Resume is your only voice. Your resume must show thinking, communication, business understanding. Not marks, not certificates. Here's the final advice. Stop trying to look experienced. Start trying to look useful. If you fix your resume this way, interviews will come. If you want, comment BA resume. I'll share a real fresher resume format that actually works. And before we wrap up, I have something really exciting to share with you. Many of you have been asking for a structured, practical way to prepare for business analyst interviews. Not theory, not textbook stuff, but real guidance. That's exactly why I'm launching my new Udemy course, Business Analyst Project and Interview Prep, from projects to mock interviews. This course is different from anything you have seen because it's built around what hiring managers actually want. Not long lectures, not complicated jargons, just pure practical interview focused prep. Inside this course, you'll learn how to tell your projects in a way interviewers will remember and relate to, solve scenario based questions on the spot, a real interview skill, handle technical questions from SQL to dashboards with confidence, and walk into any business analyst interview feeling fully prepared, calm, and confident. And here's the part most courses miss. I've designed this so you watch, practice, and apply. You'll get mini assignments, frameworks, templates, and mock interviews examples you can literally copy and adapt. Because hiring managers don't care how many definitions you memorized. They care how you think, solve, communicate, and present your work. And that's exactly what this course trains you to do. If you're serious about becoming a business analyst, switching career, or cracking interviews faster, this course will give you the clarity, structure, and confidence you have been missing. I can't wait for you to experience it. Before you go, remember this. Technology changes every month. That's why on this channel, I regularly upload videos on latest tech trends, emerging technologies, career roadmaps, real doubts students face. If you have real-time questions like which skill suits me, is this technology still relevant, what should I learn next, check out the other videos on this channel. And comment your real doubts below. Many of my videos are created directly from your questions. Subscribe if you want honest, updated, no-nonsense tech guidance. Because in tech, right information at the right time can change your entire career. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Because here on Tech Bytes with Leena, we keep you ahead with best, most practical, industry-ready content out there. So hit that subscribe button, share this with someone who needs it, and I'll see you in the next one.